Find features that distinguish it from other brands for AURGOD Outdoor Square Sauna, Canadian Hemlock Luxury Sauna 4 to 6 person, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Broad space. Our spacious outside wooden sauna size is 79 inch, width, 71 inch, depth, 83 inch, height. With a square sauna, you can enjoy luxurious self-care any day of the week. And it can accommodate all the members of your family without having to wait in line to enjoy it. Sauna materials. Our Finnish sauna 6-person come in hemlock wood designs. Hemlock is a popular choice for sauna construction. Hemlock is known for its minimal expansion and contraction in response to changes in temperature and humidity, making it a reliable choice. We carefully polish each piece of wood. Efficient heating. Our square sauna is equipped with a powerful 6 KW ETL Harvia Sauna Heater. With plenty of heat supplied to the spacious home sauna, and the barrels kept warm, everyone gains strength from the sauna. The highest temperature is 195 degrees Fahrenheit. Outdoor design. The sauna is covered with bitumen roof. They are not only have excellent waterproof properties, but also have thermal insulation properties, reducing heat loss in the sauna. You can completely enjoy the beauty of nature. Sauna accessories. The sauna set includes 8 mm tempered glass door, wooden door handle, 6 KW ETL Harvia heater, volcanic stone, sand glass, hygrometer, bucket and scoop, explosion-proof light, storage rack. Recliner. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.